Hey everybody, Life Made Simple here. We're doing a replacement on an air intake for a 2002 Honda CRV, and this should work for all 2002 to 2006 models. Basically what we're going to do is we're going to replace the air filter box here with the aftermarket cone there. So basically we're going to remove this box, got some screws up top, got some screws holding the bottom in place, clamp, take that off, hose clamps, remove that hose, bolt that in, hook up the hose, hook up the clamp, start it up. That's basically it. So let's get started. Okay, so we basically got 5 screws to remove the top of the air filter box. 2, 3, 4, and 5. And then so for this, probably a 10 millimeter. Those were 8 millimeters. This is probably a 10 that we're going to use to loosen the hose clamp.
There we go.
Clamps. Take that off, move it back. Alright, so you basically just lift off the cover of the air filter box. And there you go, that's what it looks like inside. That's what came out. Okay, and then we're going to look here, you can see probably a 10 millimeter bolt there. Probably a 10 right there. And that might be a 10, might be 9. I think we just have the 3. Alright.
Where's the third one? Oh, I just thought it would come off. Whoa.
Alright, and that's out. That's it, just the 3, and a little bit of elbow grease. So basically, we're going to leave this hose on here. Leave the clamp on.
Yeah.
We're basically going to install this, add the cone to the bottom, and then this line will feed back in through here.
That way fits better.
You got to push this far enough, make sure that the end of it comes in like around here.
Okay.
And when you clamp it down, you want it to be clamping that part of it too.
So you want this in all the way? Or
Yeah, I would, well, I mean this, so when this is in there,
yeah.
that should be fine. And then when you push this in, you want it to go to about, just like about there, as far as you can, basically.
Oh. Yeah.
Okay, should be good. And then once you clamp it down, it's not going to go anywhere.
Good enough.
Good.
So where's the ring?
Seems pretty solid. So here's the cone. Comes with the clamp. Basically, we're going to attach it to that side of it and clamp it down.
This one more. Quarter turn there.
Okay, so we're jerry-rigging this a little bit because this is the original one that goes to the airbox. So this is more narrow, and the hose clamp that's there isn't really going to hold it in place. So we basically cut off a piece of it, about an inch worth, and we're adding it on back here. So the goal is, when we've got it plugged in this far, that this part is just going to be at the right spot so we can put that hose clamp on and help to keep it in place so it basically doesn't fly out of here. So we'll line it up, say about there. So you have, actually, sorry, my bad.
No.
Oh, it doesn't matter. We can go all the way on. Yeah. Okay, see how far you can get that. Yeah. So as far as you can get it?
Yep.
Okay. Is it gonna work? Stay in place. Alright, so then plug in the other end.
And that's it.
And that's it.
I guess.
Clean up. Start it up.
Good.
So we started up here and everything's working just fine. Personally, I don't think that zip tie is necessary. If you just face the phone a little bit more to the right, I don't think it's going to hit anything when you go over bumps. If this video was helpful, let me know by hitting that like button. Leave a comment for some feedback or questions. And as always, subscribe so you'll be notified of our upcoming DIY and tool review videos. Take care, everyone. Putting it there to see.